Today I am discussing about Microsoft Office. Okay, this is the first lecture of Microsoft Office. As I want to say you something, a basic concept and theory of the advantages of the Microsoft Office. Okay, Microsoft Office is very widely usable software. You can see in the marketplaces everywhere. You can see there are many softwares in the market, and latest softwares are also coming onto the market, but some softwares are also new and latest, but not most usable as compared to Microsoft Office. Because Microsoft Office, there is main software uses in offices, uses in banks. This is a ready-made software, uses in companies, and basic calculations, for example Excel. Okay, and if we see MS Word, Microsoft Word, you can also enter your data easily and manage your document and design it. And today is the latest version. You can also do graphical functions. You can make different designs in Microsoft Office. Okay, if we see the definition, it is the type of Microsoft Office. It is the product of Microsoft Office in which we can create electronic application. Okay, what is electronic application? Electronic application basically, when are you seeing any data, any text, message or document into mobile screen, into Android screen, into laptop screen, computer's screen, that is a electronic. That is a form of electronic. You can text message someone. That message is what? Electronic form. Okay, when you print that message, that is called hard form. Okay, we can create any electronic application in Microsoft Word. For example, CV, curriculum vitae, it is your biodata or your experience submitting for jobs. And resume, what is resume? Resume is 2 pages for your details, your biodata, and when greater than, more than 2 pages, that is called curriculum vitae. Office application, office, in the office, like there are many entries work, employees record, employees salaries record, any other equipments record, office data. Okay, office applications. Letter, you can type any letter. Okay, letter, for example, you can type letter, or also you can type applications. Okay, you can write any application for leave. You can write any application for resign. You can write any application for job using what? MS Word. You can also create a letter and send it electronically through email or Microsoft Outlook. It is also the feature of Microsoft Word. Okay, that letter is formal or informal. You can use and you can write using MS Word. School or college certificate designs. Okay, any school or college basic certificate designs like Microsoft Word short courses, 3 months certificates or diplomas you can create and design in Microsoft Office. Okay, character certificate, you can also create character certificate. In the upcoming lectures, we will also create all of these projects into practical. Now you must understand the advantages and good concept of Microsoft Office. What can we do in MS Word? How to open MS Word? Okay, just type into the run command winword or winword.exe. Okay, for example, just right click here and click run. Okay, or Windows plus R and type here winword or winword.exe. Okay, here and click OK. And you can also click here onto the search box, and here you can type just win. Okay, WINW, and you can see here, click here word head. It's also called only Word or MS Word. Click here. Okay, as you see here, this is a many records. Okay, and here is, click here, you can also open new files. Okay, some other templates you can reuse this. Okay, first we work on blank document. Okay, just click here. Okay, this is the main area of the MS Word. No, second one, it is the identification of any file. MS Word 2020 file extension is docx. Okay, I am also do it into practical. Basic tools, names and name and uses, tabs or menu or tools. Okay, these are the basic tabs name. For example, tabs, title bar, quick access toolbar, display options, ribbons or commands, or property bar, status bar, scroll bar, how to zoom in, out. Okay, and zoom shortcut key, control plus mouse. These are the all. How to do this? Okay, this is called title bar, document 1. You can change this name to save it. And this is called quick access toolbar. You can see here. If I just click here, and this will come up on here for new document, quick access toolbar. And this is the called display ribbon options. Okay, ribbon display options. And here is, as you see here, minimize. Okay, this is called minimize, and this is called restore and close. All of these, file, home, insert, these are called tabs or menu bar, and these are called ribbons and commands or property bar, like cut, copy, paste, all of these. Okay, here this is called status bar. This is what status bar. Okay, this is a zoom in. You can also zoom the page, zoom in and up, zoom out the page. And this is called scroll bar. Scroll up, scroll down, and this is origin, and this is the right or left scroll bar. Okay, when I click here, its zooms will clear 100%. Okay, now there is no scroll bar. By default it is print layout mode. Okay, these are the basic tools and commands of MS Word. Okay, tabs, title bar, quick access toolbar, all of these. Now, as you see here, MS Word all shortcut keys, steps to note and follow. You can also view all of the shortcut keys in MS Word for quick work. Okay, how it's possible? View tab, macros command, view macros, word commands, list commands, run, current keyboard settings, 8 steps total. View tab is where? See here. Okay, this is the view tab. First click onto the view tab, and second you see here macros command and view macros. Okay, how it's possible? It's macro commands and view macros. Okay, and third one is what? Word commands, list commands, or run. Okay, click here, word commands. Okay, just write here list commands. Okay, as you see here, list commands. How many steps will complete? You can see here 5 steps. Then run command, keyboard, current keyboard settings, and OK. This is very simple steps. Okay, click here run command, and current keyboard settings already checked. Click OK. These are the all of the MS Word shortcut keys. As you see here, all caps Control Shift plus A. Okay, how many pages? Total 10 pages. 1 of them. Okay, if we see Control Shift plus A, when I am selecting this word and press Control Shift A. Okay, Control Shift A. Okay, as you see here, these all the commands. As you see, for example, you can also capitalize here all commands. Just capitalize. Okay, you must noted these steps. Okay, don't worry, I will also the below of this video in the description. Okay, you can also download this Olaf presentation. You can see also all steps and basic concepts of MS Word. Create paragraph in MS Word 2024 practices. Syntax for generating paragraphs is equals to rand 3,2. Paragraphs and each have 2 sentences. What this means? Okay, for example, I want to open MS Word. Okay, how to open new document? Just click here and click here to open new document. Okay, now just type here is equals to RAND. Okay, bracket start and closed. Press enter. Okay, this paragraphs is just for practice. These tools are using onto this paragraphs. If I want to type paragraphs according to my choice, 2 paragraphs, 3 paragraphs, having 2 sentences, 3 sentences, it's also possible. As you see here, rand 3, 2. What is this? What is the meaning of this? Okay, for example, is equals to RAND 3 comma 2. What is the meaning of this? Random 3 paragraphs and each paragraph have 2 sentences. 3 paragraphs and each paragraph have 2 sentences. Press enter. As you see here, how many paragraphs? 1. Okay, here is closed with full stop. 2 paragraphs and 3 paragraphs. And how many sentences? Here is start 1 sentence and another one. This is the second sentence. Okay, as you see here, this is also 1 sentence and this is the another sentence. Okay, now what is the purpose of these sentences and these paragraphs using these tools? For example, I want to increases the font sizes and to change color. Okay, it saves our time. Just already ready-made paragraphs use and to practice these of the tools. And you know that practice makes perfect. Everyone in the world, you must keep in touch onto the MS Word, any course, and you must practice every day. Then you will make perfect. Okay, and what is next topic? See on to the presentation. Here will have completed paragraphs and each have 2 sentences. Last one, renaming a file, and is also most important in MS Word. Concept of saving a file. F2 or right click upon a file and rename it. What is the meaning of save and save as, and what's the difference? Okay, it saves a file one time and save file can further update. Okay, it saves a file one time and same file can further update. You can only change the file name. And what is the meaning of save as? It saves same file many times at various locations in the same name and same location with different name. You know that you can't save same file name, same location. That is a name conflict. That's not possible. System doesn't accept same name files and same location. Same name, different locations, or same location with different name. Then you can see it. First I am this topic, how to save file. Okay, this is a file and there is no name, document 3. Okay, and if you can't save a file, it's problem for you. While suddenly light off, okay, that's maybe problem into your laptop. That's directly connected onto the electricity. Okay, if plugged off and switch off your computer directly, then your data all of may be lost. In latest version there is also recovery option. Okay, but that's also sometimes good work, sometimes not work. Okay, but you must be careful first. Before working, you must save your file. How to save it? File, save, and here browse a location. For example, click browse where you want to save your file. Okay, it is the address of location. For example, I want to save it onto a desktop. Click here, and you can also change the file name. Okay, you can here just type the file name. For example, test _ MS Word Okay, where I want to save it onto a desktop, and say click onto a save. And what is this? Save as type. This is the extension of MS Word. Okay, you can also save different extensions. Click onto a save, and here his name is changed. This is the title bar. Now here you can see onto a, this is a file, and this file, in this topic I am also discussing about rename, how to rename a file. Rename, there is a two procedures. First, or right click to rename, or select file, just click and press F2. You can also change the file name, for example tst001, press enter. Okay, why this is not renaming? Because it's already opened. When you close this file, try again, see it renamed. Okay, press F2. For example, test_90, press enter. You can also rename it. And I am also reopen this file. Okay, now okay, I want to, like here I am deleting some data, there is error into the file. Okay, now click onto a file, just click onto a save. As you see, there is no actions performed, but you can see what action is performed. That action is performed. You can changing this action is called, you can update further your file. As you see onto a definition, same file can further update. Update means you can change letter and click onto a save, or press Ctrl S to save. Okay, the shortcut is Ctrl plus S. Okay, for example, it is test. Just I am writing here, it is test, and this is test. Okay, when I closed this file, as you see, it's asking either you have changed this file. Okay, before this text is not into the file. When I have written this text, now asks you want to change this or not. If you don't change this, press this. Yes, I want to change this, click here. Okay, or just click here or click here, save it. And what is the meaning of save as? Save as, it saves same file many times at various locations in the same name and same location with different name. It saves same file, yes, same file many times. Okay, you can also duplicate or copy that file. Different locations in the same name. Okay, you can save it same name, or same location with different name. That's location same. C drive location is what? C drive, E drive, F drive, that's called root location. Okay, you can and change it differently. For example, click here, I want to save this file, click save as, browse. Okay, this is already onto a desktop. When I click the same name and same location is what? Desktop. Select it and click save. Okay, as you see here, this file is already here. Okay, it takes no action. See again, click here, save as, and browse onto or click onto our desktop and see. Okay, when I click again, save as, browse, and now I want to select different locations, local disk D drive. Okay, you can see also local disk D drive, or you can also save it another location. Okay, for example, desktop, downloads, as you see here, and you can change the name. For example, same file and change. Okay, also a desktop, click here. Now see onto a desktop, two files, 1 and 2. File name is same, text is same, content is same, just name is changed. You can duplicate same file and save different locations. As see here, renaming, F2. Okay, save, Control S, the shortcut, and save as, the shortcut of save as is F12. Okay, for example, click here and press F12. Okay, you can also save as. And one another topic is, just see here, this is what is extension. How to see this? This is the identification of any file. It's also most important. Okay, latest extension is what? docx. In previous version only doc. Okay, how to see the, how to view extension? Just right click on a file and properties, as you see here, Microsoft Word document .docx. This is the extension of Microsoft Word, MS Word. Everywhere you are seeing this extension, it means that this file is MS Word. Okay, as you see, here is basic introduction. All your topics I have completed. If any problem regarding today's lecture, you can comment me. Okay, feel free, don't hesitate. Feel free, comment me below in the description of this video lecture. Okay, then I will revert back as soon as possible. If you need any type of recording MS Office lectures, you can also ask. Thanks.